I In the last video we have seen related the leave and loan section. Now in this video we will see related to the attendance and payroll. Now let's go to the attendance detail page. Here you can see the attendance of the employees. If the PowerERM is integrated with the RFID machine, then all the attendance from the RFID machine will be imported automatically to the PowerERM system, or else HR has to manually update the attendance of the employee on the daily basis. Now you can see here we have already updated the attendance manually for all the employees, and also you can see the paid holidays which has already been applied by these employees. Since we have no deduction policy, so if the balance leave is less than the leaves applied, then also the employee will get the paid holiday and the leave balance will be in negative. Now let's go to the home page and we will again go to the payroll section to set up the employee salaries. Here I have already set up the employee salaries. You can see the setup employee. You can see I had provided the Qatari allowance, the overtime and etc. details. I had already been provided the CTC. These details has already been provided for all the employees depending upon their grade. Let's say Amrin is having grade C, some employees are having grade A, and also I have added the overtime allowance of 500 rupees as you can see in the payroll section. Now I have not defined the payroll for the newly added employee, so now I am adding, let's say, 5,000 Qatari and 1,000 overtime. Okay, so the CTC will be 11,500. So now the salary for all the employees has been like captured in the PowerERM system. If you want to add some more components, you can add it and you can provide the details of the salary as per your defined salary. Let's go back again to payroll home page. Now the attendance has been inserted into the system, the salary has been defined, leaves are applied and approved, loans are also approved and disbursed. Now at the end of the month we have to perform few different processes to complete the payroll processing. So you can see there is a module called month end on the home page where we have defined we have to perform the leave month end, loan month end, attendance finalization, and if there are an OT overtimes are there, then OT approvals. So let's go to the leave month end. We will go and start the month end for leave. Okay, we have to complete the month end for the previous month first. Let me do that. Now let's start the month end for the March. Leave month end, run routine, and go to the loan month end. You can see the advance amount of 10,000 which will be paid in 2 months, so 5,000 will be deducted from this salary and 5,000 from the next salary. Also you can see the loan amount applied from Amrin Sheikh is 55,000 and it is for 3 months, so 18,333 will be deducted in this month and the remaining amount will be in next 2 months. Start the month end and run routine. So now the leave and loan month end has been finalized. You can go again and see the history of leave. Now let me show you. You can see for the Amrin Sheikh we have applied the maternity leave which is having 45 days, but now its leave balance at the end of this month is 27 days as she has already applied the the maternity leave and like consumed all those leaves. Similarly for the other employees as well. Also admin can go to the each employee page and there he can see the leave summary, like sick leave was 30, the annual leave is 20 days, but the Rajat has applied for 21 days, so the annual leave is -1 because we have no deduct salary option selected in the category section. If there was no checkbox selected for the deduction, then the salary will be deducted for 1 day and its leave balance will be 0. So the leave and loan month end has been done, and go to the attendance page, and now we will finalize the attendance. So the attendance detail has been finalized. Now we can go and then generate the payroll. Now we will go to the generate payroll section for the month of March. Salaries, region is Qatar. Go. Okay, now you can see all the allowances are coming on the top, and now you can see all the details has been coming on this page. You can see the 5,000, this is the advance amount, the 18,333 is the loan amount deducted from the employee's account. This loan recovery, advance recovery. Okay, now we will finalize the payroll from here, like preview, and if you want to hold the salary of any employee, you can select the checkbox and then hold the salary of those employees. I will like freeze the salary of all the employees, and the salary has been freezed. Now the approval process will continue. Now let me go to the approval process. First I will log in with Amreen, go to the payroll, approve payroll for the month of March, approve all. Now the first approval has been done. Now the second approval from the finance, the HR approval is done, finance, and then CEO. Log out. You can define these officers in the config master section and in advanced settings section. You can see I had defined the HR manager as Amreen Sheikh, the finance officer as Anjala Malik, and CEO as super admin. So if you have already defined all the employees, so you can define the different officers for each departments. The final approval from CEO. Now the salary has been approved. Now if you want to add some more amount to the other existing component, so you can add it like from the edit employee salary section. I will go to this March, and I have to add an expense reimbursement for Rajat. So I will go and edit it, and I will add the expense amount for Rajat. Now it has been added. Rajat. Similarly, you can add other components as well in this section, or if you want to do some deductions, like you want to deduct the telephone reimbursement for an employee, you can add those detail and then deduct those amount. Also I want to deduct it for Rajat. Now let's go back to Rajat salary, and now I will add a telephone reimbursement of 100 rupees. Okay, now you can see the deduction is this and net salary is this. So you can after freezing and approving all the salaries of employees, if you want to edit something, you can edit the salary of the employee from the edit employee salary section in the payroll and details. Now if the payroll has been generated, salary has been generated, now you can see the payroll statement and salary statement as well. Like for all the departments, all employees, generate. Yeah, you can see the salary report has been generated, like who is the approving authority, the final approval, the HR approval, the housing allowance, the other allowances, details, the total earnings, the deductions and the net salary. So the complete statement of payroll has been defined in this report. Also there is one more report, the salary statement and the salary slip. Also you can see the salary slip of each employee. You can see the salary slip, the date of joining, the days paid, if there is a account number, then account number, the employee CTC, annual CTC, its designation, name, the earnings, the deductions, total net salary. So everything is defined in the salary slip. All the salary compensation has been defined in the salary slip. So this completes our payroll module, where we have defined the salary of each employee, we have finalized the attendance, leave, loan, and then we have generated the salary. Also we have modified the salary of the employees also. So this completes our payroll section. Now we will go to the separation section, the termination of the employee. Let's go to the home. Now I will, like you can see, this is my delegated, my received request, and on the top you can see the my separation state, start, termination and template. So we will go to the start termination and we will start the termination for Salman Khan. So the last working date is 31st or say 3rd of April. So termination has been started for Salman. Now you can see there is one pending item for termination. Once we will go and we will see the pending request, you will see the Salman Khan is there for the pending. Now here you can see all the departments, like the IT department, the supervisor 1, 2, all has been added here. So if there is any approval required from the any other departments, they will provide the approval and they will provide here the exit interview information here. So all the information will be captured here. Approve from other department, in this department. So once all the department approval has been taken, the admin will finalize these requested. Also, like the each employee can log into the system and provide his approval. So currently I had done all the approval from the super admin, but if like suppose you want an approval from Hanzala Malik, so we will log out, we'll log in with Hanzala Malik. We will go to the separation module, pending request, Salman Khan, and then we will provide the exit information and then we'll approve it. Again I'm going to log in with admin. So I will finalize this separation. So this separation has been now finalized. Now the separation has been finalized. Now we will go to the end of service benefit page, where the service benefit will be provided to these employees. The formula for the service benefit is defined in the config master section. As you can see, in the config master section we have defined from 2 to 5 years, what will be the benefits, like Qatari allowance divided by 30, and it has to be paid for the 30 days. Similarly, for 5 to 10 years, it will be Qatari allowance divided by 30 plus housing allowance divided by 30. So you can define any formula over here. Like, let me show you one. Like, if you want to edit, is this now, this is the formula, the calculator which we have provided in the PowerERM system, where you can add all these components, the numbers, and you can add operands in between those components. So you can provide the formula as you required for this end of service benefit. Now let's go back to the separation home page, finalize request, Salman Khan, and then end of service benefit. Here you can see the salary for the month of April, like for 4 days salary from 1 to 3 days salary has been provided in this working days. And you can see for 2 to 5 years the salary base is this, the salary amount is this, the total amount, like this is the benefits is given to this employee. Similarly, for 5 to 10 days, this is the benefit given to the employee. So depending upon the formula in the USB, we have defined the final amount for this will come, and the final payment which needs to be given at the separation of the employee is defined here over here. So depending on the formula and other things, the end of service benefit has been calculated. So this completes the payroll and termination of the employee. So so we have seen all the modules which we have defined at the start, like the employee, leave, loan, reimbursement, the month, and the attendance and payroll and termination. Let me show you the visa module as well. You can see I have applied a visa from the Rajat Sahani. So let me go and approve the visa. Like, the Rajat has applied, I can approve it. Now we have to apply it, and once it is applied, we have to provide the visa, like valid from which date, it's March 1st to, let's say, 31st March, and visa number is this. And if there is any document, we can upload the document as well. Let me upload say this document, and received. So now the visa has been received. And now this is the visa module, like the visa is been defined for this, and you can see there is a visa expiry. It's coming in the system alert section, like in next 20 days the visa for the Rajat will be expired. So we have a system alerts for different employees, as well as you can see the coming birthdays. So this also, let me show you the employee view, like the salary has been generated. Now in the my quick link section, there is a salary slip section where Rajat can see the salary of his own only. So he can see all the salary details for his own, like the telephone reimbursement which we have added is now reflected into this section, the expense reimbursement also there. Okay, so this completes the demo of PowerERM which we have planned at the beginning. So thank you very much for watching these videos.